Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you this beautiful everyday soft pink makeup look which is totally my jam. I pretty much wear it whenever I go out on everyday basis. I just change my lip color and the blush, but the overall look is always the same. So let's get started with the skin prep. This is something I've started using recently. It's the Dermaco Transalic Pigmentation Corrector Serum. This contains 3% tranexamic acid and 10% azelaic acid. This is sulfate paraben dye, mineral oil and fragrance free. Now, tranexamic acid is known for its skin brightening properties that effectively reduces hyperpigmentation, melasma, or if you have acne scars or marks. This is going to inhibit melanin production and reveals a luminous radiant skin. And azelaic acid is a gentle yet effective exfoliant that targets blemishes and minimizes redness, acne marks, gives you a clearer, smooth and even toned skin. This serum also contains alpha-arbutin that works towards controlling the production of melanin and helps brighten up the complexion. So this is a great serum in dealing with hyperpigmentation, melasma and acne scars. So definitely try it out. And don't forget to top it off with a sunscreen. Today I have my favorite Dermaco 1% hyaluronic long lasting sunscreen. It's water and sweat resistant. It contains SPF of 50 and PF4+. This gives you 6 hours of long lasting sun protection. This is super lightweight, very creamy and comfortable on the skin, doesn't leave any white cast, and also it's infused with hyaluronic acid that deeply hydrates your skin and keeps your dryness at bay. Here I'm also including the testing report of the hyaluronic long lasting sunscreen. Now why I love this sunscreen so much, because this is one of the first sunscreens in India to provide such extended protection of 6 hours. It's very comfortable, it doesn't leave any white cast, it almost feels like a moisturizer. Sometimes I use it and I don't even use a moisturizer. And every time you buy from Dermaco, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. They have empowered 20,000 plus students this year with their Young Scientist initiative. This is available in Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon Purple, and don't forget to use my coupon code on their website for extra 20% off. Skin prep is done and now let's move on to the primer. For that I'm using the Rainy Bollywood filter. This is perfect if you have oily skin. Next, using this Nykaa Matte to Last Full Coverage Liquid Concealer. I've recently started using it and I quite like it. Plus, it blends beautifully into the skin, looks very natural and doesn't crack or crease on me. Next, using this Kiro Compact Powder to set the concealers into place. Moving on to the brows, to structure and fill in the gaps of my brows, I'm using this eyebrow pomade from Morphe. And then to set my brows into place, I'm using this eyebrow gel from e.l.f. Now I'm gonna use this blush to add some pop of color to my cheeks. Now using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter very sparingly to add a little bit of glow to my skin. My makeup look is just incomplete without a mascara, so I'm using 2 coats of mascara. And lastly, to complete the look, I'm using this beautiful lip shade from Sugar. So yeah, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!